Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a bootable Windows 11 USB and disconnecting all non-essential devices. This prevents driver conflicts. Once the PC boots from USB, choose Repair Your Computer and then Troubleshoot. You'll use Advanced Options. This is where we get control back. Make sure to select Command Prompt next. It lets you run targeted fixes. You're not reinstalling yet. You're repairing the boot process. Keep the USB and another device handy for reference as you proceed to the next step. You'll now repair boot records and system integrity. First, run bootrec commands to fix MBR and rebuild BCD. This targets corrupted boot configuration. If bootrec/fixboot reports access denied, use diskpart to list volumes, select the EFI partition, format as FAT32 if corrupted, then assign a letter and retry. Next, run SFC and DISM offline, pointing to the off-boot and off-windir paths on the mounted Windows volume. These replace damaged system files. You should remove the installer and reboot normally. Windows often completes startup after repaired BCD and file fixes. If you still hit the automatic repair loop, use Advanced Options to try System Restore. This rolls back recent faulty changes. Make sure to back up important files before a reset. Choose Reset this PC and keep my files if possible. If Restore and Reset fail, copy data from Command Prompt or a live environment to external media, then perform a clean install as the last resort. This guarantees a working system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.